In this video, we will determine whether or not a box of heat is legit or a scam. Let's get started. Hey man, it's Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be going over something pretty interesting, and we're going to basically be determining or trying to figure out whether or not a box of feet is legit or if it's a scam. I've been seeing so many different types of comments. I've been seeing people saying that they've gotten the value of their box, but their old items that were for sale ended up wanting to return it. You know, there's various things. Like, is it really worth that $400 to $600 that it's priced at? Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go ahead and cop the box to actually go ahead and do an in-depth review of, you know, if it's worth it or not. But I think this is like the next best thing. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the IG, see some of the pieces, then we're gonna take a look at some of the boxes, and we're just gonna go ahead and try to just figure out whether or not this is something that you guys should consider, or if you should just save that money and go ahead and look for pieces that you want, since it is, you know, anywhere from the designer to sought after, I guess, or just, you know, then from the designer high-end pieces. Maybe you can go ahead and just purchase those individual pieces on your own. But before this video gets started, smash up that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I post each and every single day. Content is going to be business or fashion related. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright. So I got the laptop in hand. Let me go ahead and make it full screen so y'all can see what I look at. So right now, we are on their IG. We're on the Heat IG. As of right now, it's what they're saying on their page says the only luxury fashion mystery box with a guaranteed value, relaunching August 13th. August 13th passed, so now we are reviewing. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the people following. So Phase K, I think the owners of it are in Phase Clan, if I ain't mistaken. Go ahead, quote me if I'm wrong, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look, because if you guys did not know, I think this is their second drop, give or take. They had the first wave of mystery boxes. They sent them to various content creators and whatnot, and I know a good amount of people got their hands on it, and it was like all of the boxes, some of the boxes were kind of the same, some of them had a little bit of different items. The main reason why I personally wanted to get the box was just because of the fact that I wanted to get some Palm Angel pieces, because I have yet to have that in my collection. If I can get it in a mystery box, I'm all for it, because sometimes whenever it comes with pieces, I don't necessarily know what I want. So sometimes it's just like, I do the mystery box and I'm just like, oh shoot, like this is actually pretty nice. I wouldn't normally get it, but I'm glad that I have it type thing. So that is that. So as we can see, they have two type of boxes now. They have the streetwear box and they have the contemporary box. And I think, let's start off like with this pose so we can go ahead and just get a good look. Go ahead. So 3 days away, just samples of this is like a $600 box. Okay, so it's streetwear, $500 box. As you can see, you got a Palm Angel shirt right over here. And then they have some Michael Mirror jeans. And they're telling you what the prices go for. I don't know. Rupees. No. Okay. So from the looks of it, I think the RRP, I think this is the Australian dollar. Quote me if I'm wrong, because I'm pretty sure it's not a euro, so I'm gonna go with the Australian dollar. So they're telling you what the prices are supposed to be, and the total, if we look in comparison, is going to be 410 Australian dollars higher. But these tend to be items that apparently are always like on sale or whatnot, and it's kind of like a way for these higher end brands, or like I think the way that they're able to like pull this off is this. It's actually over the price, like in value, but these are like items that ended up going on sale because they could not sell out. So of course, it's like a win-win. Instead of these higher end brands just throwing it away or just getting rid of it, I guess Heat can go and buy those items and then just go ahead and resell them in a box to where they go ahead and make a decent amount of money. So for this one right over here, we have what seems to be the contemporary box, and I think this one is just upper everyday wear type fashion. So we have it in the contemporary box. They have a Jackie Muse like dress up shirt, long sleeve, button up or whatever. And I think these, don't quote me, they're like I think they're Mirror dudes. I'm not sure about it. I think these are for my Mirror. But yeah, so from the looks of it, these are like the bigger boxes. So like the $500 ones or the 500 Australian dollar. We're just gonna address this as Australian dollars, okay? So we got the $500 box, and now this is another one. Oh, these are Palm Angel slides. This is a whole Palm Angel box. What is this? So from the looks of it, I mean, it's a tough one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. As of right now, they're only showing the 500 ones. So from the looks of it, on their page, of course, they're gonna show like the nice items, like doll, designer, nice brands and whatnot. Seems like a few of the boxes you could possibly get shoes and whatnot in the boxes. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the actual website and take a look. So these are the boxes. We have the $300 boxes right over here. And it's just telling you this is a streetwear. And they're kind of having their definition for it. So streetwear is a culture encapsulating fashion, art, and music, creating its own ideology. And essentially, you're supposed to be able to go ahead and build your box. So as we can see, this is like the equivalent in US dollars. It's $400 and $700 boxes. This is pretty steep. I'm not gonna lie. And the good thing is that they have for men's and women. So if your men box, let's say you get this one, or if you want to go with the $600, or you have the $400 box right over here, $700 one, apparently you can get some more items, and then you can go ahead and just adjust it with your sizing and all that. And it's like the authentication. They basically go through and they just run everything down for you, apparently. However, the weird thing is for the shoe size, I guess I don't know what size this is. Probably gonna have to go ahead and convert it. But let's take a look at another box. Let's go back and see. Because apparently, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I would just want to go ahead and purchase it just to go ahead and test out, just to see my luck, what I would go ahead and get. But when it comes to like actually recommending, I would only recommend this if you actually have like the money for it and you don't mind getting things that you might not want. That is really just the truth whenever it comes. Contemporary style is about sculpting your signature aesthetic from endlessly wearable modern design. So I guess it's just supposed to be things that you can always wear. Let's see if there's any more information about how it works and all this stuff. So from the looks of it, you really can't figure out if they're straight or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and just touch on what I do know about them. Okay, so based off of all the videos and whatnot that I've seen, based off of the preview launch, this current drop that they had, we're just gonna have to kind of wait and see. For the people that do end up getting the boxes and they go ahead and they post their videos kind of showcasing what they got, I think I'll do a follow-up and we can go ahead and just see if multiple people were able to get like multiple like of the same items, or they did a better job this time in like actually diversifying the set items that they do have. Because I do know that the whole marketing strategy is essentially to work through like content creators or just people that have very large followings. And the only thing that I can say from like a normal person coming from this, or something that I guess like we will be able to say, is the fact that, oh well, of course they're going to give the best items to these creators, because then they can promote the best or like the highest level of what you can receive out of these boxes, and not necessarily the reality that you might go ahead and receive. Because you know, you might get in various items, you might get like 2 items that you just don't even like, and because of the fact that like these items aren't highly sought after for most of the time, it might be difficult for you to sell it at a price that will allow you to make back your money. Because if I'm being real, these boxes are going for about $400. The lowest box is going for $400. So the combined, these items are gonna have to go for probably a couple $100s each for you to even make some money, let alone trying to sell a piece that is not sought after. You might really be trying, and you might get annoyed and end up just selling it at a break-even point rather than selling it at a position where you can make some money. So I think that is probably like the biggest concern that you may have with a box like this, is just the uncertainty. Like, will you actually get items that you like and actually wear, or will you have to take the route of actually trying to resell it? And if the items aren't that good, it's going to be pretty hard to sell. So in my opinion, I want to say that in my opinion I would buy it, but again, I have different reasons for buying it. If I don't like the pieces, I feel like it might be easier for me to go ahead and sell it, because you know, I can post it on my channel or just various things. Like, I feel like I would be able to go ahead and maybe, you know what I'm saying, I could even go ahead and do a giveaway with pieces that I don't like. So for me, it wouldn't be as much of like an L, so to speak. But let's say maybe for you, and you're not in the same position, it might be pretty difficult. So again, it is a risk, but take the risk kind of like at your own. Like, you gotta kind of know what you're getting yourself into before. In my opinion, it's legit, but then again, like, it's like technically you're getting your money, but at the same time, it's like not really. So it's really just borderline. Like, if you have extra money and you want to go ahead and just test your luck, see what you get, go for it. But if you don't, and you're trying to use this as a way to kind of like up your wardrobe because you want to go ahead and get designer pieces for, you know, just, I guess, kind of get in a little bundle, I would be like, man, if you have that $400 to $600, it would be better for you to just go ahead and buy that piece or those pieces that you've really been wanting. That way you'll just be happy. But anyways, guys, I have a few questions for you guys. Let me know if you copped the box, and then let me know if you think it's a scam or legit. In my opinion, it's right there. It's borderline. You can lean legit, you can lean scam, you know what I mean, to business. And in this little space, it is pretty hard to kind of determine certain things. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel and you made it this far into the freaking video, I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And you know, as of right now, we're just trying to bust and see if these things are legit or scams. But anyways, this is your boy Chrisley, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 2 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.